them blood clot. Watch now them pussy clot. Both them on shots up. I went murder every last pussy clot one of them.
Oh no, you should have killed them motherfuckers.
When did Vybz Kartel become a TikToker? He actually killed. I thought it was his voice until I realized it was Dr. Umar. I'm like, hold on. How he lose the accent?
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom.
If footage of video where little man run guy door where they say police kill a dog, tell me no people. Like you man see police them enter from the inner yard and the man run guy door, bro. I first me see a man open door for police so quick, letting and the police them kill him and charge it. Eh? The camera show, it show say, boy, me I tell you Jamaica, tell me no people. Oh, that look cool.
Big pussy on the spot media. And Papaya and Sir P. And my view, pussy man, I couldn't know this, you know. Every day I see no come a vlog and put up bumbuckler people that talk about Corner Boy and Railway and 87 and hey, pussy. See anywhere man see you know, I get it in a boy, dirt, you know. I'm to you know.
Frenchie and Adrian, you guys are the best. Cheese and pinkums. Wow. This is my silver plaque.
Residents of Cherry Tree Lane in Clarendon took their frustration about a police fatal shooting in the area to the streets of the capital Maypen, including outside the police station. They are on a quest for justice for the deceased 22-year-old Jamar Farquharson. He was killed during a police operation this week.
Yeah, more no Futa na shame again. Futa, your shame tree dead. For real. Miss Lisa Hanna, a big woman. Out there, I enjoy her life. And she's dressing up into what she feels.
Viewers and subscribers, Wagwan, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando and I Billion, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So in today's topic, we have some things to talk about. We saw where Mr. Vagas received a silver plaque for his hit single, Head's Eye. We want to talk about that, and also we want to talk about a clippings where we saw Mr. Vagas again clapping back at Foota Eye for disrespecting Lisa Hanna, saying that Lisa Hanna take the picture of underneath her. You know the recent picture where Lisa Hanna post on her Instagram with the dog, and you know Foota Eye for this Sarah say, yo, she look tacky or it look or like. We want to talk about that. And also want to talk about an ongoing case, an ongoing investigation that's going on with a youth. I think his name is Alex Ferguson, something of that sort, or Jamar Ferguson, where it was said that the police them murdered the youth innocently because we saw a clipping circulating with the youth opening the door for the police them, and also we saw where the police them dragged the youth outside. And then later on we heard that the police them bring the youth back upstairs in the house and murder him in our room. So we want to talk about that because an ongoing uproar going in media space where a lot of people are asking for cameras, body cam for the police them, but you know the police them never want that. And you know the government, I don't know why the government not start implement that yet, but it needs to be mandatory. But we want to talk about that and also other topics in today's vlog. So before we jump into the topic, viewers and subscribers, may I ask you to do for me and make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, viewers and subscribers, let's just jump right into the topic. So firstly, we want to highlight and give a big congratulations to Mr. Vagas for receiving his silver plaque for his smash hit single, Head's Eye. And from your little boy that sang I mash up the place, I mash up the world, and to this day, it's still a mash up the world. So big up to Mr. Vagas for receiving his silver plaque. And viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play the video for you to hear what Mr. Vagas has to say about his plaque, his silver record. Listen, viewers.
So, Frenchie and Adrian send this to me. And then say, I have to open it on my birthday, but it's not my birthday, but I'm really curious what the F it is. And it is a big plaque with my certified, Jesus Christ, single Head's Eye. Oh, Moses. Oh, wow. Frenchie and Adrian, you guys are the best. Cheese and pinkums. Wow. This is my silver plaque. Oh my gosh. Woo. Can you imagine? A little youth from a little board house. Accomplish this in life. Youth and youth don't give up on the dream. Watch out, man. And remember, this is against all odds. Because Heads Eye was placed on so many different compilations. So if I had all the accumulated sales of Heads Eye worldwide, are, trust me, even just in America, I would have gone a platinum plaque. But this is great. Certified silver in the United Kingdom for over 100 million streams worldwide. 100 million streams. That is 100 million people stream this. Maybe not people, but maybe people. Or maybe people stream it more than one time. But a 100 million still. Cheese and pieces. Can't you proud of me? Mm-hmm. DeAndre proud of me?
Yep.
Oh my God. This is humongous. Thank you, Frenchie. Thank you, Adrian.
End it.
Viewers, share on the thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. As what Vagas say, if him did compile every numbers where him get pan a song, him think him would get a platinum record, which I think it is possible. And if him compile the numbers them from Canada, US, because this is just UK silver, you know, over 100 million streams, or they would say 100 million units sold. So big up to Mr. Vagas. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. So as you know, all know, Vybz Kartel have recently him took Instagram and TikTok for his voice-over playground. A lot of video that's been uploading from Vybz Kartel with him doing a lot of voice-over. But one of the voice-over them is one where we saw him and his baby mother took. And boy, a lot of people had a lot to say about it. I said them almost kiss each other, or the woman look like she was fling it on Vybz Kartel. But what me have to say is about this whole voice-over thing. I understand say I probably idle Vybz Kartel, I idle out him look a free time when him have, as him say, him work and then idle after. But to me, I feel like this whole voice-over and this whole TikTok thing, it just cringing, but to each is his own. I feel like say the music, well, him should have promote the music other than a promote voiceover. But as I say again, viewers and subscribers, to each is his own. But viewers and subscribers, watch the clippings we have everybody attack with him and him baby mother. Watch this, viewers.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom,
So that are the video, viewers and subscribers, where everybody attack about. But boy, Vybz Kartel became this big TikToker. People all say, yo, them can't believe say a TikTok Vybz Kartel turn to. But listen what a lady have to say about him being a TikToker and doing a voice-over, viewers.
When did Vybz Kartel become a TikToker? He actually killed. I thought it was his voice until I realized it was Dr. Umar. I'm like, hold on. How he lose the accent? But this was funny. Go ahead and go to his page. Go on.
So I see one video with a brother at threaten on the spot news media and also Serpy and also My View TV. And boy, I'm a threaten the man them. I say if him hold the man them, if him ever hold the man them, one way him would have do to them because him have a whole heap of arms ready for anything. But viewers and subscribers, listen what a brother have to say because he don't look like him scared or him afraid. No, but channel viewers and subscribers, listen this.
On My View, big pussy on the spot media. And Papaya and Serpy. On My View, pussy, man, I couldn't know this, you know. Every day I see no come a vlog and put up bumbuckler people that talk about Corner Boy and Railway and 87 and hey, pussy. See anywhere man see you know, get it in a boy, dirt, you know. I'm to know. No much rifleman sit down pan boy a pussy. Video no come and hide back a screen and I cannot come show in the face. Make man give a slap in the face, pussy. You know badness. Eh? Oh, I'm telling you, you know a real bad man thing. You know come run off on about police and Bumbuckler, Corner boy and Portland and agriculture school. Pussy. See all you on the spot. I boy, see all I Serpy you hide. Pussy better stay hiding. Cause anywhere man see a boy. Anywhere in the world man find a boy. Close casket, pussy. I couldn't know in real life, you know. You don't know. You realize I'm not even hide my face. Cause I'm not afraid of the out. Darkness and dirt. Gunshot. Suck on yourself. Oh, I'm telling you. Suck on the mother too. Oh, hey, boy. You anywhere man seen in a youth, you know, fall up like paper, you know. You hear that? Come on, I couldn't know, say you're a real badness about you, real darkness. Boy, you're boy on the spot, all you. But yeah, man, a bumbuckler pussy anyway, see you. You hear that? All of them go up and the mother go hide, man, I come find you. You hear that? Gunshot.
John, no viewers and subscribers, a be a darkness, but me know say if I did Andrew only this a brother ya, at this pandemic that them find him instant, but you know it go already, man. And my view on Serpy and the spot media, them man then show them face no, so not really am. But the things them with a brother ya said the man brawling and brave with it. A be a badness back of that. Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think about what the brother say, cause Jaja.
So the next topic more shed some light on is the ongoing investigation and conversation that's been sparking in the media about a young man, a 22-year-old young man who goes by the name of Jamar Ferguson. It was said that the police them murder him in a room because after watching the CCTV video, you can definitely see something for some foul play go on, something go on within the whole house, because after watching the video you saw where the young man walk to the door and pull the door for the policeman them for come in, and then afterwards Uno realize say the young man was murdered upstairs up his in his room. And me I say yo, something alright. And also there were also other where they call it now, other clippings of the video where you can see where the police them turn down the camera and turn off the Wi-Fi in the house. And me I say, Jano, I was going in Jamaica, I saw the police them wicked and murder they use them, but you know the people them a protest in a Clarendon, Cherry Tree Lane, and them I say, yo, them need justice for this. But viewers and subscribers, me I go play the clippings with the video and also with the news reporter and also some TikTokers speaking on the whole topic. Watch this, viewers and subscribers.
Indicom has confirmed that none of the 23 police officers involved in the recent Cherry Tree Lane raid, where 22-year-old Jamar Farquharson was unlived, were wearing body cameras. The operation, said to be a firearm search, ended with Jamar shot dead, though CCTV footage shows him with his hands raised before the fatal moment. Police claim there was an exchange and that a gun was recovered, but the search warrant reportedly didn't even name Jamar and only listed the street, not his address. His family has strongly rejected the police's version of events and has already staged protests demanding justice. Indicom is now reviewing the original CCTV footage as part of its probe. This case has stirred serious questions about accountability, transparency, and the continued absence of body cam evidence in high-stakes operations. What do you think? Does this point to a deeper issue in how raids are conducted? Share your thoughts below.
Residents of Cherry Tree Lane in Clarendon took their frustration about a police fatal shooting in the area to the streets of the capital Maypen, including outside the police station. They are on a quest for justice for the deceased 22-year-old Jamar Farquharson. He was killed during a police operation this week. The police report they were fired at and a gun recovered from the scene. His mother was among the protesters.
I'm still in finding out answers because up to now I'm not getting anything as it.
Answers because
I did not go him that way.
Since the incident, she says she's exhausted all means to get answers.
Right now, how I'm coping, I can't even explain how I feel. I can't explain how I'm feeling right now. Disappointed, breaking down, frustrated.
Surprised.
I think shock.
Yeah.
I think shock cover everything. That is it.
and she's been getting support. The entire Cherry Tree Lane community has joined the mission for justice.
Now keep silent. How you think so we are gonna feel? How you think so we are gonna feel? Cherry Tree are just a try to develop back out a mass killing. Now if you are innocent, you just come in for work. Alex, I want the most humblest youth you can think of.
She went further.
The police them can't just leave we alone. Make we survive by ourselves at Cherry Tree. Cause all them do come there can intimidate the youth them. The youth them up on the road drink their liquor juice or have their liquor spliff. You can't tell them go in before we can lock on up. It can't go like this. We need justice. We know if we deal with citizens. Them are human like we and they have family just the same. They have brother and they have sister and they get pitney. Or would them like for somebody else I do for them brother so. I do want to for them sister so.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, Indicom, is investigating the incident.
If footage or video where little man run guy door where they say police kill the dog, tell me no people. Like you man see police them enter from the inner yard and the man run guy door, bro. I first me see a man open door for police so quick letting and the police them kill him and charge it. The camera show say boy, me I tell you Jamaica, tell me no people. Oh, that look too no. Me bumbuckler.
Who see the video with the 22-year-old youth? Where the police them kill a Jamaica and say a shootout. Who see the video there? Luckily the youth have a camera in them us to catch the police them and she said the youth literally open the door and surrender. The youth hand up in the ear, the youth not armless. The youth armless, the youth not arm them none at all, the youth hand up in the ear. Them running out the house, take out the youth out the house and run out the house. Kill the people in Pitney and talk about a shootout, brother, and if you stop do them thing there, brother. As a youth are born in the garrison, enough of them thing our face youth, enough innocent youth to not kill, brother. Enough innocent youth, you see some people in a comment section that come talk about, yeah, the police them do a good job, them do a good job. Them do them job, yes, but them kill enough innocent people, youth. The youth not arm none at all, bro. The thing hurt my heart, bro. As a youth born in a garrison, I know so we used to face them thing, dog. I want to tell you, dog, the youth not arm none of you, bro. The youth literally surrender, brother. That me I tell you, kill innocent people all the time, brother.
You know wicked, you know? You know wicked, no bumbuckler, you know? The police said the man will get shot in a Cherry Tree Lane, the youth got shot in his bed. Me blood clot, Andrew Dranko blood clot on his pussy hole. Now is not the time for you be silent. The whole of Jamaica for lift up for the bumbuckler one year. We literally see with we yai, the youth get up and answer the door and go to the police and them say move out of the way and bring him outside. How the fuck him reach back in the house? And then you are tell me say him get shot in him bed. So even if him did in him bed, which nowhere in hell was he in his bed. Because we see with who on a blood clot, yeah, una a some blood clot gang, organized criminal gang in the police bomber clot force. There's nowhere in hell this youth could have get shot in him bed. And this is the official statement by the police. And we see una pull out and drag down every blood clot camera. We see with we yai. We say, I must believe me yai the youth answer the door. And you tell me saying get shot in him bed. That if every police pan a blood clot up, say they lose them not even them life, them job, and go pan a blood clot trial. Every police now this for the pan trial. Immediately come off a frontline duty. Immediately the constable air force to investigate this. Immediately Andrew One is for release a statement. Immediately swift judgment fear go on. Immediately the man you in a lock up. How would the man get shot in him bed? Mike, how you tell that? You really think people are idiot? Mike, it's a good thing the dog did have a camera in him house. You could have imagined where them would have come say. You could have imagined where them would have come say. Pussy clot. All when that is my in a them can't even wear body cam. Them a drunk you can't wear body cam. The man said the man get shot in him bed to pussy clot. So a dopey come answer the door. Yo, and we don't hear say him alone in the house. So how the fuck him reach back upstairs or downstairs for going back in a blood clot bed? and get shot by the police. If every police no mumma ras clot, no bumbo clot, they are lock up, dog. Jamaica need to lift up. All the station they forget bundong. That station they forget blood clot bundong. Yo, when I have some wicked germs in a dog. Andrew one is now is not the time for silence. Picking Jamaica is not this the people and pick. Is me well then again to blood clot. I guess I this the people and blood clot pick. Now is not the time for silence.
Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. From the old video, the old CCTV footage, share your own observation of what you see. Because my views, me sharing my views on this is that the police them nah go stop kill off innocent people. And for years this has been going on. And people are protest and talk about it and nothing nah come out of it. It would be best for Andrew Holness to really come out and address this thing, because if the police them say the youth dead in him room, I will see the video where the youth come downstairs, pull the door, let in the police them, then push him outside where he wasn't in the house, and then shortly after you see where the video was cut off, like them move the video, lock off Wi-Fi or whatever, so then they capture when them bring back the youth in the house and bring him, go execute him in him room. That is just crazy. And as I see the video, you know, I know a lot of you see the video circulate all over in the media. There were the bullet wounds, the bullet holes them in the wall, on the ground, on the lower part of the floor. And you can definitely see say the police them put the youth on them knees them and murder the youth in him house cold-blooded. That is just crazy, viewers and subscribers. But share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. So a couple days ago, I posted a video with Footer Hype disrespecting Lisa Hanna, saying that the picture that she posted on her Instagram was slight, distasteful, and or-like, and him say it wasn't appropriate, it was inappropriate. But now we saw where Mr. Vagas was clapping back at Footer Hype, saying that Footer Hype shouldn't be the one to be talking about people when people did the same sick and him more lean up and all sort of thing. And he must say Footer Hype never came out and addressed the whole thing, or Footer Hype was saying that people will stop watch him and him mouth and ray. But Mr. Vagas is saying some stuff about Footer Hype, and boy, viewers and subscribers, you need to listen to him and say, Jaja.
Yeah, more and Footer na shame again. Footer, your shame treat dead. For real. Miss Lisa Hanna, a big woman, out there, I enjoy her life. And she's dressing up into what she feels comfortable for dress up in her. Not only that, her body look very good, and she's a beautiful woman. And you have a problem with the woman that do what she want to do, a woman in her a 50-year-old woman. You become the moral compass of society to the point where you point out what the lady is wearing and doing with her life. A married woman, we have her husband, and obviously her husband has a problem with it, and you have a problem with it, brother. Mrs. She come like she clout your stars. Mrs. She put up a monkey, and if I use she call monkey, the monkey when she put up to rotted, I don't know if she thinks that the monkey they favor you, but she put up a monkey to rotted. Come like a you shall call monkey. You. Brother, you need to have a little shame, man. You lose your shame to your body, you know. Me tell you from the other day, so you need to go do a checkup and see if you have a mild strokes. Because you know, address that, you know, and you come out and talk about something wrong with Lisa Hanna. What wrong with the woman if the woman are wear what she want to wear, brother? And when I see people I say, we know for point out say something wrong with you. And then 1 or 2 days after, you come and point out say something wrong with Lisa Hanna because she dressed a certain way. So when we point out and I see your mouth lean and you drool, yeah? Because my sister you drool now, it even get worse because you start lick your spit. Like, me notice when you talk, you start push out your tongue, you catch spit from coming down the curve, yeah, where your mouth created, yeah, where your lip created. When them see a lick your spit, a push out your tongue and catch back the spit, you know, then I realize say something off. But me see people did I say, boy, I shouldn't have say something, you know, you need to go check out if something wrong with you. Because sickness this and sickness that. But I same thing I do with Lisa Hanna. If you think so Lisa Hanna has a mental breakdown, or she go through something mental. Yeah, the same way they must say me should have reach you or send you a message, you know, a direct message. You know, could I send her a direct message in her inbox too? Because she always correspond with people. So if you did want to find if something wrong with Lisa Hanna, you should have send her a direct message and say, "What go on, mama? Since you're PMP and you're PMP." You should send her a message and say, "What go on, mama, you alright? Yeah, man, they I pray for you." And she'd reply to you and say, "Yeah, man, foot hype, me good."
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, that's what Mr. Vagas have to say about footer hype. And as you know, Mr. Vagas love troll footer hype, and so does footer hype also. But let me know what you think in the comment section. If you don't want to listen more away, Mr. Vagas have to say, go over him Instagram and want to hear the full story and the full breakdown. But yeah, what you think? When you think when Lisa Hanna rear or take picture in her was inappropriate, let me know, because to each his own, you know, and the woman own clothes she have, and if she feel pleasing to do that, her husband now have a problem, so I see why footer hype have a problem where him come out and I bash the lady and I talk bad about her. But viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think in the comment section. But you know it go already, man. A Vibes and Inside with Nando with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. I'm out. Peace.